Hello friends, welcome to Exams Exclusive. Friends, today we discuss science and tech important topics. Friends, many important topics we discuss today in this lesson, in this live session you can say. So this lesson is mainly targeted for UPSC exams. Friends, this is the lesson number first. And this is our website www.examsexclusive.com. So visit here and submit a form to get daily updates. Friends, this is our links for PDF of this same lesson. You download the PDF of the same lesson by the help of this link. So friends, myself Dheeraj Sharma. So let's start this lesson. Friends, in this lesson we discuss many topics like Zika virus, India's first engine-less train, and third one is research on blockchain technique, world first AI news anchor debut in China. This is very important. And next one is International Center for Transformative Artificial Intelligence. And I hope you know about artificial intelligence, that is AI. We discuss in detail. And last one is National Digital Communication Policy 2018. So friend, all these topics we cover in this lesson, and all these topics are very important from examination point of view, and these topics are related with science and tech. So let's have a look on first topic, that is Zika virus. Friends, Zika virus is a very important topic. So Zika virus is a vector-borne disease transmitted primarily by Aedes aegypti mosquito. This term is very important. And this is a type of mosquito, that is Aedes aegypti, which also transmit dengue. It can also spread through blood transfusion and sexual contact and even kissing. So second point is it is capable of causing serious birth defect, that is neurological disorder and fetal deformation known as microcephaly, in which infants are born with abnormally smaller head. Friends, point is how microcephaly caused by this Zika virus. Friends, you know about NBRC, that is National Brain Research Center, has successfully identified the molecular and cellular mechanism by which Zika virus cause microcephaly. So what is microcephaly? Just tell me in comment section. This is very important term from examination point of view and for general knowledge. So friend, the researchers found that the envelope protein, that is E protein, envelope protein, it is E protein. So this is very important. So friend, E protein of Zika virus, which is responsible for the entry of virus into the brain stem cell and responsible for the arresting proliferation. What is proliferation? Just tell me in comment section. Of human fetal neural stem cells, and also killing the cell that were becoming neuron-like. Is that clear? So okay. So friend, the study shows that the neutralizing E protein of Zika virus can help prevent or reduce its harmful effect in developing fetus. Friends, I know very well about Zika virus because we conducting a small project in my college days with my one of friend Hemant Seni. So we discuss in detail and we present in detail in college time. So friend, next point related with Zika virus, beside a possible link between the virus and Guillain-Barré syndrome, that is a condition in which the body's immune system attacks part of the nervous system, that is Guillain-Barré syndrome, is also suspected. So friend, we discussed already about NBRC, that is National Brain Research Center, is a neuroscience research group situated in Manesar in Gurgaon district. It is near me. So friend, it is an autonomous government institute accreditable with the deemed university status and is a nodal center under Department of Biotechnology of the Ministry of Science and Technology. Friends, I hope you understand about this topic, Zika virus. This is very important for examination point of view, or you can say general knowledge. So let's move on next topic. It is related with India's first engine-less train. Friends, let's have a look. A 16-coach prototype known as the Train 18 or T18, and another name of this train, Vande Bharat Express. This is here, Vande Bharat Express, and this is our PM, Sriman Narendra Modi ji. It is the first engine-less train, made it inaugurable trial, capable of running at a speed of 160 km per hour. It is being referred to as a successor to the 30-year-old Shatabdi Express. It is a successor of the Shatabdi Express, which is 30-year-old. Friends, the fully air-conditioned semi-high-speed train, you can say semi-bullet train, which will cut travel time by 15% as compared to the Shatabdi. So friend, we can say it is faster than the Shatabdi. Yes, has been manufactured by the Integral Coach Factory, that is ICF, in Chennai, and completed in a record time of 18 months. This is very important point. And driven by a self-propulsion model without a separate locomotive, the train comes with a technical feature for enhanced quick acceleration. This is the feature. These are the features of T18, or you can say train 18, or you can also say Vande Bharat Express. This is faster than the Shatabdi Express, and speed is about 160 km per hour. So friend, let's move on next topic. Topic is research on blockchain technique. Friends, we can correlate this topic with Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin. Friends, we discuss Bitcoin in detail after this topic. Friends, research on blockchain technique. What is blockchain technique? Friends, Niti Aayog and Fertilizers Major, Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemical Limited, that is GNFC, have entered into an agreement to undertake joint research and exchange and disseminate learning to the use of blockchain technology for fertilizers subsidy management. Friends, with the adoption of blockchain technology, it is expected that the distribution will become effective and efficient, and subsidy transfer would be automated and made real time. Or you can say direct benefit transfer we use through this technique, blockchain technique, that is DBT, direct benefit transfer for LPG subsidies and many other things, many other yojana of government of India. Friends, this is about Bitcoin. So most important point in this topic, Bitcoin, it is peer-to-peer network. What is peer-to-peer network? It is direct. No intermediate are required for the currency exchange, just like we exchange rupees through RBI, that is the Reserve Bank of India. So friend, let's have a look. A very primitive form of the blockchain was a hash tree, also known as Merkle tree. In 1991, the Merkle tree was used to create secure chain of blocks, that is blockchain technique. A series of data records, each connected to the one before it, and the newest record in the chain would contain the history of entire chain, and thus the blockchain was created. And in the 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto conceptualized the distribution blockchain. You can say it is the founder of Bitcoin. Yes, that is Satoshi Nakamoto. This is very important name. Just note it down. It would contain the secure history of data exchange, utilize a peer-to-peer network to timestamp and verify each exchange, and could be managed autonomously without a central authority like RBI. So friend, this is very interesting topic, and this became the backbone of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin exchange without any central authority like RBI or any other world authority. So you can say this is a collection of black money or increasing money in small time with a huge amount. So let's have a look on next slide. Here we discuss how does blockchain works. This is very important function. So friend, let's have a look on the working function of blockchain. Friends, first one is blockchain keeps a record of all data exchanged, and this record is referred to as the ledger. In the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency world, and each data exchange is a transaction, and every verified transaction is added to the ledger as a block. That is blockchain technique. Second point is It utilizes a distributed system to verify each transaction. It is a peer-to-peer network of nodes. No intermediary is required, or you can say central authority is not required like RBI. And once signed and verified, the new transaction is added to the blockchain and cannot be altered. So friend, this is the working of blockchain. So point is clear. How does the blockchain works? If not clear, just tell me in comment section. We clear it again. So friend, this is the MOU on blockchain technology. What is MOU? Memorandum of Understanding. Friends, the Union Cabinet has approved the MOU on collaborative research in the field of blockchain and distributed ledger technology. The cabinet approval will enable India's export and import bank to launch research efforts in this field with the participation of representative banks from BRICS financial bloc. So what is BRICS? It is a BRICS Sammelan. So what is the full form of BRICS? Just tell me in comment section. So friend, last point related with the MOU of blockchain technology. The MOU, which is cooperative initiative under the BRICS interbank cooperation mechanism, aim to foster better understanding of DLT, that is distributed ledger technology, and defines area where the technology can be deployed to improve operational efficiency. So that's all from this topic, that is blockchain, or you can say Bitcoin, or you can say cryptocurrency world. So let's move on next topic, page number 5. This is very important topic. In this lesson we discuss all important topics. So this topic is National Digital Communication Policy 2018. Friends, these are the objective of NDCP 2018, that is National Digital Communication Policy. So here we discuss the Union Cabinet approved the new telecom policy, which aimed to create 4 million jobs. This is the objective of the same. We hire 4 million new jobs and draw 100 billion US dollar of investments into the telecom industry by 2022. This is correct here. So friend, boost sectoral contribution to 8% of the GDP from 6% in 2017. Beside backing principle of net neutrality, and I hope everybody knows about the net neutrality. If not, just tell me in comment section. We clear all the doubts related with this lesson. Friends, this is very important point. In pursuit of accomplishing this objective by year 2022, the National Digital Communication Policy 2018 envisages 3 missions. This is Connect India, Propel India, and Secure India. This is very important from examination point of view. So let's discuss. Friends, first one is Connect India. Just connect. So creating robust digital communication infrastructure to promote broadband for all as a tool of socio-economic development while ensuring service quality and environment sustainability. Or you can say connect everyone with internet, or you can say broadband. So this is the point, Connect India. So second one is Propel India. Friends, enabling next generation technology like 2G, 3G, 4G, and then 5G. So, and service through investment, innovation, and IPR generation. What is IPR generation? Just tell me in comment section. To harness the power of emerging digital technology, including 5G, artificial intelligence, we discuss in next slide, and IoT, cloud, and big data to enable provision of future ready products. So friend, and services to catalyze fourth industrial revolution by promoting investment, innovation, and IPR. So these are the most important point of Propel India. First Connect India, then Propel India, and then Secure India. Because without security, there is no security. So friend, Secure India, that is ensuring sovereignty, safety, and security of digital communication to secure the interest of citizens and safeguard the digital sovereignty of India with a focus of ensuring individual autonomy and choice, data ownership, privacy, and security. while recognizing data as a crucial economic resource. Everybody knows internet is very important in this modern era. So that's why security is very important, because some of the hackers hacking the website and use data from anywhere and for anything. So let's move on next topic, that is related with artificial intelligence. Friends, world's first AI news anchor debut in China, that is artificial intelligence. So friend, this is very important topic and very serious topic. So friend, the world's first artificial intelligence news anchor made his debut at the ongoing 5th World Internet Conference in East China, Xi'an province. Second point is, the AI news anchor has a male image with a voice, facial expression and action of a real person. He learns from live broadcasting video by himself and can read text as naturally as professional news anchor. So we can say professional news anchor job in danger because of artificial intelligence news anchor debut in China. We can say that. So friend, the artificial intelligence news anchor was jointly developed by Jinhua and the Chinese search engine company Shuo.com, just like Google.com, American search engine company. So friend, next point, or you can say next topic, is also related with artificial intelligence. So this is also very important. We consider all topic are important in this lesson. So International Center for Transformative Artificial Intelligence. So first one is Niti Aayog, Intel and the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, that is TIFR. Most important topic, or you can say most famous institute in India, have come together to set up a model International Center for Transformative Artificial Intelligence, that is ICTAI, towards developing and deploying AI-led application-based research project. So friend, it will be located in Bangalore in Karnataka. This is very important. The model of ICTAI, that is International Center for Transformative Artificial Intelligence, aim to conduct advanced research to incubate AI-led solution in three important areas, that is healthcare, agriculture and smart mobility. These are the three important areas we can use artificial intelligence, or we discussed already in news, just like artificial intelligence in news agency. So friend, another key area of its focus will be collaboration of industry leaders, startups and AI services and product companies to productize technology and IP, and along the line sports skilling and talent development for world-class AI talent. So you can say artificial intelligence in modern era is a very important thing after internet. We can say that. So friend, if you have any query, just tell me in comment section. We answer as such as possible, and you can also message on my Facebook page, that is Dheeraj Sharma Facebook page. So friend, that's all from this lesson, and I hope you like this lesson. So please like this lesson, share this lesson with your friends and subscribe our YouTube channel, and for daily updates you follow us on Facebook page, Facebook group. And friend, if you want to see this lesson in PDF format, so just go to our group, that is exams exclusive for all. So just download this PDF and please visit this website www.examsexclusive.com for daily updates and submit a Google form, or you can say feedbound application form for daily updates through emails. So that's all from this lesson. Thanks for watching this. Thank you very much and have an awesome day.